sway, darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river. Up, oh, bury me, carry me up, oh, far beneath.
Day 2 of our Gaspesie adventure. Oh, that reminds me, I need to give him these decals before we get too dirty. Of our Gaspesie expedition 2022, and it's 8 o'clock. We left camp. We're backtracking now back to the main road of the loop that we're doing. And yeah, so our campsite last night, I think we did fairly well considering it was a completely lucky find. We had quite a decent night. It got really windy at one point, and I think everyone woke up at that point. And the sun, because the 1 hour difference, the sun here comes up at 4:30 in the morning. That also woke me up. So I woke up a few times last night. I'm sipping on my coffee this morning as we're making our way back. It's a beautiful day right now, 19 degrees and sunny, blue skies. So we're really looking forward to see what we can discover today, what's in store for us. This scenery here up in the mountains, it's beautiful. So this here is the peak of the loop. So once we turn on to right here, we're basically heading back down towards the main road along the coast.
It's time to put some scratches on that new Bronco. Oh, it's got some scratches on it. I put them on at about 400 miles.
Well, this would make a decent camp spot.
Yeah, it looks like a runway.
Yeah, it is a runway.
There's 2 of them.
chicken sandwich right there.
It's gonna last us for a while.
That looks good.
You needed to put every piece of meat that I add.
We pulled over for a brief lunch break after having covered some ground eastward along the southern coast. Soon we would head north again into the mountains in search of a suitable campsite for the night. The rest of the day we would be on forest roads and trails, so we aired down again, and after a short but refreshing break, we set out to check 3 potential spots to camp at. We really wanted to spot on the water. One option for a lake spot potentially is down this way. If it's a bust, if it's a no-go, then we'll come back out and continue.
Okay, and Carol
Also noticed Farm Lake, which is the place that the girl was mentioning. She says we might be heading towards there.
Okay, I'll check it out on my map.
we'll check this, could be good too. There's a lot of campsites.
It's on our map right now.
Because it looks like this road goes all the way around the one lake and we'll wrap around and go up to the side of the next lake.
Yeah, actually this road looks like it's part of the trail that, part of the loop, or sorry, part of the trail that girl sent, that Melanie sent us. If we continue on the main road where we just branched off of, actually a big section of that is part of that trail that she sent us.
Copy that.
And yeah, Farm Lake, I see it now. That's yeah, that's quite further ahead. But I think then we get ahead of ourselves because that's kind of on the schedule for tomorrow after Perun. Ici. Bonjour.
You guys gonna be coming around or what?
Yeah, we'll swing around. Take the lead there, Ed. We're right behind you. With the second option for potential campsite also not working out, we decided to continue and check out the third potentially marked spot. From the map it looked like just across this bridge there would be a nice opening right here on our right side. Oh my god, of course. Of course there's people there. Nah, that's kind of what I was afraid of. It's not.
Because Mike downloaded some Gaspesie things, I wasn't sure if it was that or...
Otherwise we just continue and get into the mountains and there's lots of streams and maybe there's something up in there.
So this is all part of this.
So all of this would be strings? Is that it?
You go.
I'm not sure what you have. So we did this. So more night.
Yeah.
If it's any good. Or Farm Lake. Well, I think the only option we have, we checked everything that looked like it could be something, and all of it is nothing. So all we can do is continue.
Yeah.
After gaining some altitude, I noticed this overgrown logging offshoot to my left, and decided to go down and check it out. Looking for a spot right now to camp at. Ed and Mike just split off onto a different trail, and then Steph and I are on this one here.
Hey, nice deal.
Yeah, the views from here are amazing.
Very well. Match the map. I can hear you.
Yeah, no, Ed is trying to transmit, but it's weak and barely readable.
Okay, turn around.
Okay, copy that. But it looks like there's actually a spot maybe right down here. This part down here looks really good. Yeah, and it's the end of the road anyway. Yeah. Yeah, come on down here. This is a really good spot.
Copy. Copy that.
Okay, so after a quick map study here, Ed and Tracy are gonna go down the road 3 miles and check out, see if the spot by the lake is any feasible. Otherwise, we're gonna take this spot right here. It's suitable. It's nice, but has no water, and it's about 3:30 or 4 o'clock in the day right now. So we're gonna see if maybe we might find something better, something with water.
Just turning into the road now.
Copy. Yeah, so we'll stay here. They just got back from their recce they did, and turns out it's obviously not suitable, so we're gonna camp here tonight.
So yeah, we got part way to it. It was up over the hood.
The water?
No, the grass and the
Oh.
and then we got to a swale. On the other side of that, it was like saplings up to here.
Oh shit.
And I do it with another person, but I was going to go down there.
Yeah. Okay.
It's very pretty, lots of
The road
wild,
kind of deteriorates as you go along.
wild flowers and then saplings. It's very pretty.
All right. Well, this is not a bad find then.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, the drawer's still
Yeah.
past it. At least
Yeah.
this one doesn't quite, but it still gets. I
Yeah.
only got 6
Majority.
inches. I can't get.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
This is. I like this.
Rock slide engineering.
Yeah.
Nice.
out.
When Ed gets back, he has a chance.
Didn't see any toes.
I hope you're hungry. Slots.
Smells delicious.